Hi everybody, I'm back to share another Pinterest inspired collaboration project that I do with my friend Misha at ScrapsandThings1. Hi Misha! I'm going to post a link below this video to her channel so you can check it out, show her some YouTube love, subscribe and get some more inspiration. So this past week, I'm a little late with this one, we were supposed to do 3 different paperclip embellishments, any theme that we wanted. So I'm going to show you one of the embellishments, or some of them I should say, that inspired me, and I got this on Pinterest, and it's from paper520.blogspot.com. I thought these were so stinking cute, so I decided to break out my paper clips and my Dollar Tree stickers and see what I can do. So the ones that I actually decided to use were these, and they're kind of shiny and cute. And so I used these, and then I used the one thing I used was I made my own banners, and then I also used my scallop circle dies from Sizzix. And I didn't have a smaller one, like this is the smallest one they had, so I used my scallop circle punch, and then I also used this die set here. I used this tiny one and the one larger from that, and this particular die set I got at Hobby Lobby. And I used some different sentiments that I have in my stash, but these are how the 3 of mine turned out. And I am going to be doing an embellishment series. In fact, that'll be my next video, but if you guys want to learn how I made these, just leave a comment below and I'll do a tutorial. So here's one of those cute cupcake with an eyeball in it. Don't know how cute an eyeball could be, but stickers, and I put it on a glitter spider web. I have 3 different sized banners here. Cut out Spooky Sweet Sentiment after I stamped it, and then I used some orange and white gingham ribbon and made a bow, and then I just have 3 little glitter dots there from some glitter glue. So that's one of them. Then this one's another cupcake with a skull and bones, and it says trick or treat, and then I have a little tiny star sticker there. This is the one I used the scallop circles for, and I used a black marker and a white jelly roll pen and just made little dots around the scallop circles, and then I used this sheer green ribbon. And then the last one says Boo to You, and it's a little ghost coming out of a witch's cauldron, and I have some orange and white gingham, and then this is the last die set I used from Hobby Lobby. So those are my 3 paperclip embellishments for my Pinterest inspired collaboration. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for my embellishment video. Take care. Happy crafting.